5 months since Manipur descends into a spiral of conflict, coupled with inadequate rainfall pointing to the probability of crop failure, food insecurity and a threat to the livelihood of the people of the restive state, the State Agriculture Department comes up with a crop compensation package as relief for the ethnic violence affected farmers to the tune of Rs 38.06 crores. An independent survey conducted by Laumi Sinmi Apunba Lupt, a farmer's body, claims that a total area of around 9,719 hectares of paddy fields in the valley could be facing crop failure as farmers are afraid to go into the fields because of sporadic firing by the armed miscreants from the lower foothills. It is estimated that the total income loss for the state in the agricultural sector this year could be around Rs 226.50 crores. Of these, the highest loss will be the rice production to the extent of Rs 211.41 crores, which accounts for 93.36% of total agriculture and elite activities, followed by livestock farming. Of the 5 crisis-hit valley districts, Bishnupur, Imphal East, Imphal West, Kakching and Thaubal Bishnupur district is the worst affected in terms of agricultural land area, comprising 5,288 hectares, constituting 54.4% of the total land area of 9,718 hectares, followed by Imphal East with 1,770 hectares and Imphal West with 1,765 hectares respectively, as per the report. Bishnupur district, which shares boundary with Churachandpur, has been one of the most vulnerable districts. Farmers of Phubala, Sunusiphay, Narasena, Khoirantek, Kumbi, Sangang, Torbung, Wangu and Khoijuman, Khunau are among the worst hit, and some of them have even sustained bullet injuries. A team of Lausal, led by its president Mathum Churamani, who had come to take stock of the situation at Phubala, said, "The current situation is such that our farmers are back to square one. Despite the security arrangements, they fear to venture out to the fields to take care of the paddy plants."